Ever feel like your calendar is less a tool and more a battleground? Like you're constantly fighting a losing war against double bookings, missed appointments, and the endless back and forth of, does Tuesday at 2 work? No? How about Thursday at 11? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. We've all been there. And if you're a business owner, a freelancer, or anyone who manages appointments, that scheduling chaos can drain your time, your energy, and frankly, your sanity. Imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and your schedule is perfectly organized. No frantic emails, no missed calls, just a clear, concise view of your day. Clients book themselves, payments are processed automatically, and you can focus on what you do best. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it doesn't have to be. Today, we're diving deep into the world of streamlined scheduling, and we're going to tackle the question, how do I set up Acuity Scheduling? Because let's be honest, in today's fast-paced world, efficient scheduling isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why Acuity Scheduling is such a popular choice. It's not just another calendar app. Acuity is a powerful, customizable platform designed to handle all your appointment needs. From simple bookings to complex workflows, it's flexible enough to adapt to various industries, whether you're a massage therapist, a life coach, a consultant, or anything in between. Think of Acuity as your personal scheduling assistant, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep your appointments organized and your clients happy. It eliminates the friction of manual scheduling, freeing you up to focus on growing your business. So, how do we make this scheduling magic happen? Let's break down the setup process step by step. Step 1. Creating your Acuity account. First things first, you need to create an account. Head over to the Acuity Scheduling website and sign up for a free trial. Yes, you heard that right, a free trial. This allows you to explore the platform's features and decide if it's the right fit for you without any financial commitment. During the sign-up process, you'll be asked to provide some basic information, like your name, email address, and business name. You'll also need to choose a plan that suits your needs. Acuity offers various plans with different features, so take some time to compare them and select the one that aligns with your business requirements. Step 2. Customizing your availability. Once your account is set up, it's time to define your availability. This is where you tell Acuity when you're available to take appointments. You can set your regular working hours, specify days off, and even create custom schedules for different types of appointments. For example, if you offer different services with varying durations, you can create separate appointment types and set specific availability for each. This ensures that you're not overbooked and that you have enough time between appointments. Acuity also allows you to set buffers before and after appointments. This is incredibly helpful for giving yourself some breathing room between clients, allowing you to prepare for the next appointment or simply take a moment to recharge. Step 3. Creating appointment types. Now, let's talk about appointment types. This is where you define the services you offer and how clients can book them. You can create different appointment types for various services, each with its own duration, price, and description. For example, if you're a massage therapist, you might create appointment types for a 60-minute Swedish massage, a 90-minute deep tissue massage, and a 30-minute consultation. You can also add images and detailed descriptions to each appointment type, helping clients choose the right service for their needs. Acuity also allows you to create group classes and workshops. This is a great feature if you offer group sessions or training programs. You can set the maximum number of participants, define the dates and times, and even collect payments online. Step 4. Setting up your booking page. Your booking page is where clients will go to schedule appointments with you. Acuity provides a customizable booking page that you can personalize with your brand colors, logo, and images. You can also choose how you want to display your appointment types. You can group them into categories, display them in a list, or even create a custom layout. The goal is to make it easy for clients to find and book the services they need. Acuity also allows you to embed your booking page into your website. This is a great way to integrate your scheduling system seamlessly into your existing online presence. Step 5. Integrating payment options. Getting paid is a crucial part of any business, and Acuity makes it easy to collect payments online. You can integrate Acuity with popular payment processors like Stripe and PayPal, allowing clients to pay for their appointments at the time of booking. This not only streamlines the payment process, but also reduces the risk of no-shows. When clients pay in advance, they're more likely to show up for their appointments. You can also set up coupons and discounts to attract new clients and reward loyal customers. Acuity allows you to create custom coupon codes and set expiration dates, giving you control over your promotional offers. Step 6. Automating reminders and notifications. One of the most powerful features of Acuity is its ability to automate reminders and notifications. You can set up email and text message reminders to be sent to clients before their appointments. This helps reduce no-shows and ensures that clients are prepared for their appointments. You can also set up notifications for yourself, so you're always aware of new bookings, cancellations, and reschedules. Acuity allows you to customize the content and timing of these notifications, giving you complete control over your communication. Step 7. Syncing your calendar. Acuity integrates seamlessly with popular calendar apps like Google Calendar, Outlook, and iCal. This allows you to sync your Acuity appointments with your existing calendar, ensuring that you have a comprehensive view of your schedule. This integration also helps prevent double bookings and ensures that your schedule is always up to date. When you book an appointment in Acuity, it will automatically appear in your synced calendar, and vice versa. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.